Are you searching for a genuinely safe and powerful way to grow your money? A way to build real wealth without the sleepless nights? We've all seen it happen. Stocks can plummet overnight, and the crypto market can lose immense value in the blink of an eye. It's a roller coaster, and frankly, it can be terrifying. But what if there was an investment that has not only stood the test of time, but has consistently proven its strength and reliability? Welcome to the world of real estate in the United Arab Emirates. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the 5 key reasons why investing in UAE properties is just a safer bet than stocks or crypto. As a far smart strategy for building sustainable, long-term wealth. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll see why so many savvy investors are turning to this dynamic market. Let's start with the first, and perhaps most crucial, reason: stability and predictability. Think about the stock market or the crypto world for a moment. They are incredibly volatile, aren't they? A single tweet, a piece of global news, or a sudden shift in social media trends can trigger a massive sell. Your life savings can be at the mercy of algorithms and herd mentality. UAE real estate, however, operates on a completely different foundation. It's built on solid ground, literally and figuratively. The market's strength comes from a robust and diversified national economy, visionary long-term government development plans, and a consistent, stable demand from investors, both locally and worldwide. Instead of wild, unpredictable swings, property prices in the UAE tend to grow steadily and predictably. This makes it an incredibly secure choice, providing a safe harbor for your capital even when other global markets are in turmoil. You're not just buying property, you're buying peace of mind. Now for our second reason, which is something that digital investments can never offer: a tangible, real asset. Stocks and cryptocurrencies exist as numbers on a screen, as digital entries in a ledger. They are abstract. Real estate is, well, real. It's a physical asset you can see, touch, and even live in or use. You can stand on the plot of land, walk through the rooms of the apartment, and appreciate the craftsmanship of the building. This tangibility provides a fundamental layer of security. No matter what happens in the volatile financial markets, no matter how digital trends evolve, your property will always have intrinsic value. It won't just vanish into thin air. And in a country that's growing as rapidly as the UAE, with its ever-expanding cities and world-class infrastructure, that intrinsic value is overwhelmingly likely to rise year after year. It's a real investment, in the most literal sense of the word. This brings me to the third reason, which is a game-changer for anyone seeking financial freedom: passive income and steady returns. Let's be honest, one of the primary goals of investing is to have your money work for you, not the other way around. When you invest in stocks, you might receive small, infrequent dividends. If you're lucky, with crypto, you typically earn nothing unless you sell, which means you're constantly trying to time the market. Real estate flips this script entirely. One of its most powerful advantages is the ability to generate a steady, reliable stream of monthly rental income. While you sleep, while you work, while you're on vacation, your property is working for you, 24/7. It's a cash flow generating machine that puts money in your pocket every single month. This passive income not only helps cover your costs, but also builds your financial independence, all while the property itself continues to appreciate in value over time. It's a dual-powered engine for wealth creation. Next up, reason number 4. Legal security and investor protection. Investing your hard-earned money anywhere requires trust, and the UAE has worked diligently to earn that trust. The country offers some of the most secure, transparent, and investor-friendly property laws in the entire world. The government has established clear regulations to protect the rights of investors, ensuring that every transaction is transparent and legally sound. A major advantage is that foreign investors can enjoy 100% freehold ownership in numerous designated areas. This means you own the property outright, just as you would in your home country. This, combined with the UAE's renowned political stability and commitment to the rule of law, creates a safe and secure environment for your investment. You can invest with confidence, knowing that your asset is protected by a robust legal framework designed to safeguard your interests. Your investment isn't just in a building. It's in a system built on trust and security. And finally, our fifth reason, which fuels the long-term growth of the entire market. Rising global demand. The UAE isn't just a regional hub. It's a global magnet for talent, business, and tourism. Every single year, millions of people from all corners of the globe choose to relocate to the UAE. They are drawn by incredible career opportunities, a luxurious lifestyle, and significant financial benefits like tax-free income. This continuous influx of expatriates, entrepreneurs, and families creates a powerful and sustained demand for housing. Furthermore, the UAE has solidified its reputation as a safe haven for global investors seeking stability. This ever-increasing demand does two wonderful things for your investment. It helps your property value appreciate consistently, and it keeps the rental market strong, ensuring you can find tenants and command competitive rental rates. You're not just investing in a local market. You're plugging into a global megatrend. So, let's quickly recap what we've covered. These 5 pillars make UAE real estate an exceptionally compelling investment. First, you get stability and predictable growth, shielding you from market volatility. Second, it's a real, tangible asset that holds its value and won't disappear overnight. Third, it provides a consistent stream of monthly passive income, putting money in your pocket. Fourth, your investment is legally protected by a secure, investor-friendly framework. Fifth, the constantly rising global demand ensures long-term appreciation and strong rental returns. When you put all of these pieces together, it becomes clear. Investing in UAE real estate is not just a safer alternative to the unpredictable nature of stocks and the wild swings of crypto. It is a fundamentally smarter strategy for anyone serious about building lasting wealth. If you're ready to stop gambling with your financial future and start growing your wealth with confidence, there's never been a better time to act. This is your opportunity to invest where your money is protected, your income is steady, and your future is secure. Are you ready to take the next step? Our team of experts is here to guide you through every stage of the process, helping you build a powerful real estate portfolio in the heart of the UAE. Contact us today, and let's start building your legacy together. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We have a lot more valuable insights coming your way to help you on your investment journey. We look forward to hearing from you soon.